In this video, I'm going to show you how to emote in the First Descendant. So, if you want to emote in the First Descendant, all you have to do is anywhere inside the game, you want to press the L key on your keyboard, which is by default the emote button. If I press L, as you can see, here are all the emotes I can use. So let's say, for example, I want to use one, I can simply click on it, and as you can see, my character, Ajax, has now emoted in the game. You can also use whichever one you have over here, it doesn't really matter, all of them work. Now, if you don't like any of these and would like to customize them and get more of them, because by default you can only use these 8 at once, you can also change these. And the way you can do this is by simply pressing the escape button on your keyboard, and then you want to go inside your inventory, press customize up here, and then click emotes down here. Then you can change this. As you can see, you have 18 emotes by default, and you can change them as you wish. So let's say I want to replace this cheering one with this listen one. So I press the cheering, and I then want to press where I want to put it. So let's say I want to kind of switch it for this listen. There we go. As you can see, I've now clicked on it and it has successfully changed. What you then want to do is simply go back inside the game, and if I press L, I now have the new emote in here. And if I press on it, my character now starts cheering. So that's how you emote in the First Descendant, and I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to help me out as well by subscribing to this channel.